What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Vince Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, see, I got the POV camera on, man. We're gonna be doing some pulls in the G35, man. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I always wanted to do a video like this, just doing some pulls and showing y'all the exhaust and stuff like that. So let's get ready to have some fun, man. Let's get ready to have some fun. Baby pull, little baby pull. Ooh, this thing handles good. I love that exhaust, bruh. Love that exhaust. Man, if y'all got a G35, man, and y'all already know, man, something about this exhaust, something about that VQ sound, man. I don't care what nobody say. Oh, bro, sounds like a trumpet, whatever. I don't care, bro. I love my trumpet. I love this sound. I ain't gonna lie, I really do. It has like one of the most unique sounds in this car. I really can't wait until I VHR swap this car. I don't know if I told you guys that, but that's like my long-term plan, is to VHR swap this car. I heard, because this is supposed to be like the race car or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like the G37 was just gonna be like the flashy car, like, you know, I throw a wrap on there and, you know, do some more stuff cosmetically, get it to sound, you know, great, but like not really too much performance, because that engine's a little bit too old to me to try to like boost it or whatever. But this is supposed to be the race car, and the plan for this car is to VHR swap this car and put like a single turbo on there. And I feel like, man, this thing gonna be screaming. This thing is gonna sound too good, bro. Like, it's gonna be, man, I can't wait. I really can't wait. So I said, man, y'all support, y'all watch the videos, y'all watch the ads, y'all like, y'all comment, you know. And then if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe, man. I'm telling y'all, man, the channel is gonna go up, all the way up. So that's my long-term plan, is to VHR swap this car, because I actually heard with the DE or whatever, this car is like, the DE is not really good with like boosting, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I heard that from a couple of people, so it's like, I don't know if I want to do it with the DE. Personally, I like the 37 motor a lot, and I feel like you get a lot more power out of that car too. So with the single turbo setup, or however I do it with the Soho supercharger setup or whatever, try to get it to like 600 to the wheels or whatever, man, this car is gonna be a beast. It's gonna be a beast. So that's my long-term plans, is to get it fast. something slight for y'all, something slight. Let me slow down. Let me slow down real quick, man. Let me slow down. You feel me? We got a over there. But man, I love that vibrant resonator, even though it's like a lot of drone or whatever inside the car. I love the vibrant resonator, and I love the drone sound a little bit, because it kind of sound like a race car, so I like that. Yeah, they don't really too much bother me. And it's cool because I ain't gonna lie, like I remember when my cousin had this car when I was a kid. He used to like go like to 100 miles per hour, and I used to get so excited, bro. Like I used to get real excited, or you know, he'll accelerate, and I get so excited just listening to the sound. And you know, this time, man, you know, back in the day, you know, when I was a kid, I'm thinking this car is the fastest car in the world. You know what I'm saying? So just for me, kind of reliving that a little bit and going back to my inner child means everything to me, for real. So I get a little excited. I ain't gonna lie, I get a little excited. But yeah, man, I plan on doing more videos like this. It's kind of hot out today. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of hot. So I might have to cut this video short, but I plan to do a little bit more. Oh look, hold on. We got this charger cutting up over here. Got the charger cutting up. Everybody cutting up. But yeah, man, this car give me like a good thrill. I'm not even gonna lie, give me a good thrill, man, and it just makes me relive my inner child, the 8-year-old, 9-year-old Reg. You know what I'm saying? So the fact that I'm doing it and I'm in this car just means a lot to me. I ain't gonna lie, it really does. Like, comment below, like, I don't know if, you know, if the Infiniti is your dream car. I don't know, but like, if you purchase your dream car, you know, comment below, like, y'all know that feeling, like, where you, like, especially if you grew up wanting something and you finally in it, and you're doing the stuff that, you know, you once loved when you was a kid, it makes you feel different, you know, give you a different feeling or whatever. So that's what I'm feeling right now. It's G35, man. It's G35. I'm gonna try to get another pull in for y'all. It's a little crowded right now, and it's a little hot too. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's a little hot, so no, gotta be easy right now. Gotta be real cool. Gotta be real precise. I can't wait till I do that VHR swap. I ain't gonna lie, I really can't wait till I do that. That's gonna be so dope. I can't wait. Really can't wait, man. Comment below, man. Let me know. Is that a good setup for the G35 to VHR swap? Or should I just go ahead and turbo the DE? Let me know in the comments, man. But I'm more so leaning towards the VHR. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. I definitely can make that happen. More POV drives are coming this year, so definitely stay tuned. That's definitely on my bucket list as far as videos. I don't know if you guys been following me since, you know, day one, but I like going to like doing scenic drives or whatever, having a GoPro on the outside, having a GoPro inside, and me chopping it up with you guys, and just, you know, vibing out on these different experiences. And also the places that I put down, a lot of them I haven't been to, so it's gonna be the first time for, you know, for all of us. And also for the people who don't live in Cali, to kind of like experience Cali, you know, a little bit with these POV drives And also I do plan on moving, so you know, I won't be in Cali no more, so I want to definitely do these POV drives. So y'all definitely stay tuned onto the channel. This year got a lot of content coming up, got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm real happy about. So I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. If you guys are, go ahead and give me a like, go ahead and comment, and I want to do one more pull before I get up out of here. But it's so crowded. So crowded. Nah, it's too crowded and it's too hot. I don't want to chance it right now, man. I don't want to chance it right now. But I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.